Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Centrix and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you where to find glow bugs and how to get glow from them. So you just want to pop down into the sea and just kind of look around. Sometimes they're going to be on the ocean floor, sometimes they're going to be in these like little holes like this one. So there's sometimes going to be on the top of the hole, sometimes deep inside, so you just want to have a look. Now I'm just gonna make my own down. So I just passed the glow bug right there, but I'm just gonna show you guys what's underneath here. So there's gonna be chests inside. Sometimes they're 2, sometimes they're 3. It really depends. So you can take the loot right there, and there's gonna be a lot of glow bugs. So yeah, but if you find the glow bugs on the top, just make sure to take the top ones because you are really slow with glow bugs when you're carrying them. And as you can see, I'm kind of drowning here, so just gonna take the top glow bug right there and move him up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go for some air because I don't want to die. But yeah, so you just want to take the glow bugs like this. Just gonna kind of try not to die. Okay, so yeah, then you can just take your glow bug and make your way back home. So you are really slow with him, but he's kind of cute, so that shouldn't be a problem as long as you don't drown. So yeah, I'm just gonna skip ahead, guys, because this is gonna be kind of boring since it does take quite a while to swim with these. Okay, guys, so oh shit, I just punched him. That was an accident. Oh wow. Yeah, so just don't hold your hammer while you're placing them down, I guess, because it automatically kicks them. So just make sure not to kill them that way. I just learned the hard way, so don't do that. But you want to build a sort of cage for him because he's gonna run away. So you're just gonna build like a little box of sorts. Okay, so you want to put him inside. And now you want to, he eats cardboard and he poops the glow. So you just want to give him like some cardboard. And I don't have the wood, so I'm just gonna skip ahead until I have some. I have some in the chest, but I'm gonna need a lot. So it's not really a lot. You just need to pop down one tree. So I'm just gonna skip ahead now. Okay. Yeah. So I just build the cardboard and skip ahead again. Okay, guys, so you just want to take the cardboard, and I've already given him some. Oh, I already gave him some, so he ate a little bit. As you can see, he's eating the cardboard, and yeah, you just kind of want to wait at this point. Just give him as much as you can and wait until he poops the glow, and that's how you get the glow. There's nothing else. Okay, guys, so yeah, as you can see, he just pooped out the glow, and that's how you get glow. That's kind of the only way you can get it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope it helped you find some glow. Now you can make glow sticks and explosive out of glow. I don't think there's anything else in the game you can make out of it, so yeah, I hope they're gonna add something in the future. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and goodbye.